Season 5, Love is Blind, Stacy and Izzy. It started off okay. You see, I'm always iffy about people who start off like, yeah, we love each other so much. Yeah, we're the best in the world. Doesn't always end right. I always wait for the kickoff when how they're going to deal with the fight. And, it was all good in Mexico, and then they went to their homes. They're completely different people, completely different lives. They have a different understanding and outlook of life. Stacy loves her luxury. She's a hardworking woman, and so she should. And she believes a man should also equally, provide, which is understandable. She's got a nice house. She's achieved a lot. She comes from a home that believes in working hard and living a good life, flying first class and all that. And it's good. It's great. She can afford it. She works for it. And then she's got Izzy. Every time she brought up the money issue, Izzy was so uncomfortable. Not gonna work. Stacy wants a man to treat her, to provide for her, to spoil her. Izzy doesn't come across like the spoiler. He comes across like the wanting to be spoiled kind of guy. He doesn't think he should spend his money on her. I don't think so. He thinks you work, I work, you spend yours, I spend mine. So they're from completely different worlds. And their first argument was over rubbish, really, over nothing. About Izzy keeping mementos from girls he brings over. I think Stacy just made it a bit too much. That didn't require that much energy. That was about his past before he met her. It was just a matter of, okay, I'm here now, get rid of that, not to go into a whole frenzy and be arguing like that. But I just feel like there's a disconnect financially between them. And I think it will work.